Colleagues, our tax code is rigged. If you've heard me speak about our tax code, you've heard me talk about the fact that the wealthy and the well-connected pay teams of lobbyists, consultants, and attorneys to push for loopholes for them to take advantage of. I know, I am a tax attorney. I was trained to find these loopholes for corporate interests and for wealthy people, because that's who hires tax attorneys. I actually went a different route and represented small businesses, but I will tell you, in my training, I was regularly told to not come after these loopholes, to not advocate against them, because it is how we all make our paycheck. And I am proud to be standing here and doing just that. Right now, individuals can deduct 20% of their qualified business income, and that is the case federally. That is still a benefit that exists. We are talking about adding that deduction back in for state tax purposes. And we are means testing that for those making over $500,000 individually or $1 million jointly. This is a very simple concept that you pay taxes on your income. It is not an increase of a tax rate. It is not anything more than closing a loophole. There is not a reason for this special deduction to exist. Think about who's bearing the burden of our tax liability right now. It's teachers, it's nurses, it's firefighters. Think of what it takes for a regular wage earner to make it to $500,000. If there are business expenses, those are not going to flow through to personal income. This is the income that an individual is making. And we have a concept in this nation that you pay taxes on your income. And I know that not everybody here agrees with that concept. I don't say that flippantly. I know that we have disagreements on whether we should pay taxes on income, but that is the law of Colorado. And so what we are doing here is saying everybody should pay their fair share. And especially at a time with so much at stake, with SNAP benefits and health care on the line, this should be an easy decision for all of us to say that everybody pays their fair share. And I hope you will join me today in voting yes on this bill.